tall figure stands up ahead. Above the way could this be? He seemed to... Was that a centaur?
Look at... Don't even fall!
Cyndia!
Awesome! Bewitched snow!
Fiend fire! Spider! There seems to be a huge figure up ahead.
I'm real. I can do it with my eyes closed. Whiz-bang!
Confringo!
Expulso!
Atmosphere charm! There seems to be a huge tarantula up ahead. Now you're in trouble. Ventus! Lexus Maxima! Oh, what is that horrible noise? Is someone using a caterwauling charm?
Essence of Italy!
Ventus!
Casting cards,
Seer! Confringo!
Expulso! Nebula! Essence...
Look at that! I've never seen so many herbs in one spot. That'll make for a very good harvest. The trees all seem scorched, as if there was a fire. But it's been raining non-stop. Confringo!
Expulso!
Spiders!
Essence of Italy!
Atmosphere charm!
Ashwinder!
Don't say you!
I'll handle this! Nebulous!
Casting cards, see Ventus!
Also!
Confringo!